Today I'm going to show you how to do an overcast or a whip stitch. So I've got my needle, threaded needle, got the little knot at the end, and again this is a good stitch to sew 2 layers of felt together. So I'm going to start between the 2 layers of felt. Nice way to hide my knot. Now to do the overstitch, you take the thread to the back, and again I'm going to start with a double stitch, and that's just to secure the thread. So there's my first overstitch. I'm just going to do another one on top of it, take my thread to the back, and it's basically right on top of your first stitch. Now you're ready to start, so move your thumb along. You're going to take the thread to the back, and it's always going in the same direction from the back to the front. Pull. Take your thread to the back, and you're always going to place your needle sort of the same distance from each of the stitches. Take it and pull. Thread to the back, always back to front. Pull. And keep on going. Okay, now when you want to end your overcast stitch, you're going to do it exactly the same way that you started. You're going to do a stitch, and you're going to do another stitch on top of it, and one more time. Okay, there you have your overstitch. It's beginning and end. It's got the double stitch. Now it's a bit harder to hide the thread between the 2 layers. You can snip it off here, or you can just push it through the thread. It sort of takes the thread to the back and snip it like that. And there we have your overstitch, overcast or whip stitch.